Today I'm sharing some cute spring painting ideas you can try with acrylic paints. If you're looking for inspiration for your next painting, these ideas are perfect for springtime. Think pastel colours, cute animals and pretty flowers. And if you'd like to paint along with me, I have full step-by-step tutorials for each of these paintings available on my Patreon, which I'll link to below. All of the tutorials are in real time and include paint colours, reference images and line drawings. First up is a cute spring bunny painting. I love painting bunnies in soft pastel colours, especially light pinks and yellows. This pastel colour palette works perfectly for spring-themed paintings and it makes this bunny look extra cute. Bunnies are such a cute animal to paint, and I break the process down into simple steps to get that fluffy fur texture while still keeping the painting bright and colourful. I have two bunny painting tutorials available, one facing the side and one facing forwards, so you can practice painting their cute faces from different angles. The next idea is a cute lamb painting which is perfect for spring. For lambs, I like to use a very soft colour palette, pale blues, light pinks, pale purples and white. The fluffy texture of the wool is really fun to paint with acrylics, and you can create it by building it up in layers, and it's much easier than it looks. Baby animals like lambs are perfect for spring-themed paintings. If you wanted to give it even more of a spring touch, you could also add some flowers in the foreground. Next up is birds. They're one of my favourite types of animals to paint and they're perfect for spring. There are so many different directions you can go with bird paintings. Some of the many bird tutorials that I have available include pretty pink lovebirds, a colourful hummingbird with flowers, and a beautiful peacock painting with vibrant feathers in the background. Birds are a great subject to paint because you can make them either very simple or very detailed depending on the style that you like. I've created a video showing you an easy way to paint bird feathers, as well as a video showing you how to paint birds in general, and both of these are available to watch here on my channel. Continuing with the bird theme, chickens are a great subject to paint this spring. Chickens are so much fun to paint because they have so much personality and we can really capture that in our paintings. I really loved painting the expression on this chicken's face. I went for a plain green background to make the chicken stand out, but you could also add fresh grass or bright flowers to make your painting even more spring themed. Chicken paintings also work really well on small canvases, which makes them great for quick painting projects. Another beautiful spring painting idea is flowers. Flowers are perfect for spring-themed paintings because you can use bright colours, soft pastels and lots of texture. They also work really well for beginners and are a great place to practice painting techniques. Two flowers I currently have tutorials for are roses and sunflowers. However, I do plan on creating tutorials for some more spring-themed flowers soon, so don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss these. Flowers are really versatile. You can paint them on their own, in a meadow, or use them to add more colour to your animal paintings. Another really fun spring painting idea is a cute cow in a flower meadow. For this type of painting, I like to create a bright spring landscape with lots of flowers, soft grass and a cheerful sky. But the cow is the main character of the painting. You can make your cow look extra cute by adding big expressive eyes, soft highlights on the fur and colourful flowers around it. This kind of painting has a really happy spring feeling and it was so much fun to paint. And finally, bumblebees. Bumblebees are the perfect subject to paint for spring and they look amazing paired with flowers like daisies and wildflowers. For my bumblebee tutorial, I decided to paint a close-up of a fluffy bee on a bright pink background. I explain exactly how to paint this texture as well as how to make the wings look transparent. Bees are a great subject for smaller canvases, so they're perfect if you want a quick painting project. If you'd like to paint any of these with me, I have full step-by-step tutorials for all of these paintings as well as many more. You can find the link to those tutorials in the description below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more acrylic painting tutorials and ideas.